If someone stole your video and upload it on their channel, and you find out that this video is 100% your video, and you want to submit a copyright takedown or remove that particular video from the channel, but you find it difficult to see how you can go about it, you don't know how to file a copyright claim of that particular video in order to take down the video from the channel that stole your video, consider to stay tuned to this video from beginning to the end and see how you file for copyright takedown of any video that was stolen from your channel to another channel. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel and you find this tutorial useful, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so welcome back to this video. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you are 100% sure that the video was stolen from you and then they re-upload it on their channel. This is first thing you need to make sure you identify. Once you identify that this person stole your video and re-upload it on their channel, next thing you need to do is to follow this step. Log into your YouTube channel. When you log into your YouTube channel, then head over to your YouTube studio right here. Click on YouTube studio to submit a takedown request of any video that is stolen from your channel, and YouTube is going to take a proper action about it. Now, when you get to your channel dashboard, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here where you have copyright. So click on the copyright right here. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, next thing you need to do is to go to remover request. Click on that, and it's going to take you right there. Now, if you have any, so now it's going to take you right there. Next thing you need to do is to click on new remover request right here. Click on it, and you'll be taken right here. This is where you need to do all the setting. Here, your channel name is going to be from the top. You are assigning it as this particular your channel name. Then what you need to do is to video requested for remover. What you need to do is to click on add a video right here. When you click on add a video, make sure you copy the URL link of that particular video that was stolen from your channel. Let's say, for instance, I'm going to go back to YouTube feed right here. Let's say, for instance, this particular video was on my channel, and I want YouTube to say this, and I want YouTube to remove the video and give the channel penalty. What we want to do is make sure we right click on the video, and then we make sure we look for copy address link. When you copy the video address, you can see link copy. Go back to the file right here. What you need to do right here is to come down right here. Make sure you paste the URL right here, and it's going to generate right here, just like what you see right here. Now, everything about the channel is going to be found. Their subscribers, everything is going to be found. Or better still, you can click on add to list right here and add more. So this is infringing video. That is the video that was stolen from your channel. The next thing you can do is you can select type of work right here. So something that relates to this, you can choose any of it right here. But if you do not have anything that relates to all this type of work, simply choose order right here. Once you choose order, the next thing you want to do is to enter the copyright title right here. Enter as much as possible detail about the copyright work. Then here, additional information should be added right here. Scroll down right here. Then this is section 2. Section 2, copyright owner. That is, you are the owner of the copyright. Then affected party, which is yourself. Leave this one. The copyright owner name, your channel name is going to be found right here. And then phone number is going to be found right here. The email that YouTube can use to communicate with you is going to be found right here. Scroll down right here, and then your country, your everything, your detail right here is going to be here. Then scroll down, remover option. Now, remover timing for targeted video. Schedule send a 7 days notice. Now, if you want to give the grace to that particular channel, you can select, you can give them ultimatum of 7 days. That is, once the request is validated, YouTube give the uploader 7 days to remove the video and avoid copyright strike. If they didn't, the video is removed after 7 days, then YouTube is going to penalize the channel with copyright strike. So you can choose this option. Or better still, standard request, removal now. This removal now can lead to a copyright strike. YouTube process the video removal after validating the request straight up without any warning. That is for the second option. Then copy. Prevent future copies of this content from appearing on YouTube. So if your takedown request is valid, YouTube will try to prevent new uploads from appearing on the platform. So anybody else that want to still upload that same content, YouTube is going to block it. So just make sure you check on this particular box. Then I certify that I have worldwide exclusive right to the content for which I'm requesting removal and understand by this section. Read the detail and make sure you check this also. Now scroll down right here, section 4, legal agreement. I have a good faith belief that the use of the material in the manner complaining of it's not authorized by the copyright owner and its agent or the law. Then the second one here, option, this information is the notification is accurate. Another penalty of perjury. I am the owner and the agent authorized to act on behalf of the owner of an accepted right of the owner is allegedly infringing. I understand the abuse of these two, such as submitting removal requests for content I do not hold, may result in termination of my channel account. So you have to be sure that what you are doing is exactly yours. So simply choose these particular options right here. Then right here, enter your legal name right here. Once you enter your legal name, click on submit right here. And YouTube is going to do the justice. And the video will be removed. The channel will be issued a copyright strike. It's that simple. Basically, this is how to submit a copyright strike for anyone that stole your YouTube. I hope you really got value for this video. For more useful tutorial like this, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial about YouTube topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.